one of the others, please. That's noisy.
Excuse me.
Cullen, try the beaver tail. There you go, the rattlesnake. Let's try this one. Try the beaver tail.